Here we go, another attic air conditioner maintenance. So first thing first, the first things I like to look at are the ductwork. Now that ductwork's old and you can kind of see the insulation, the R value around the actual duct is starting to lose its properties and they become almost like see-through when ductwork turns bad. So inside this air conditioner, it's pretty moldy. It's been a while since any cleaning has gotten done. You can see how much algae is built up inside the pan. The back end of the coil, that's not going to be cleaned on a maintenance. If that were to be cleaned, it would have to be pulled and cleaned. But where it's at, I would just recommend leaving it and not even doing anything with it. Because to pull that system out of the attic, bring it outside, acid treat it, then clean it, wash it, it's just not worth the labor, nor is it worth the actual money to do that. What I would recommend is a couple UV lights, one in the back of the system, one internally, and then one for the plenum up front. But the way this is set up and how this is designed, I don't know how much more work, how much more money he would actually want to put into it. If it's working, I would just leave it the way it is, and in the future, probably just replace everything. Clean the mold off the coil, soap the pan, soaped everything out. And I always like to go around with the rag and get as much of the gunk off of everything as I possibly can, just to make it look a lot cleaner and clean everything out. Fill up the pan, check the motor, clean the rest of the mold off the actual coil itself. Make sure it's draining back in the drain. Flush everything with some acid and some water, and we are good to go.